So please introduce yourself and tell us what products or solutions is Bharti showcasing at CEIF.
Okay, so basically our company is doing manufacturing of ultra sim LED photo frames. The frames you are like these ultra sim LED photo frames. This is ultra slim, like more, like you can see the thickness of these frames are so less as compared to the mobile phones also,
Right.
like this. So basically the specialty of these ultra sim LED photo frames, and this is backlight film UV printing. So any UV printers can do that, and we have a frames manufacturing. We don't do import from anywhere, and you can also, like, it's a India manufacturing.
Okay, so why is CEIF important for Bharti?
So we always participated in CEIF every year. Like, this is our 2026. Every year we participated, and it's important because it's related to a photography industry, because so many photographers come over there and see the new technologies and the new things over here in this photography exhibition, because it's very great exhibition and very big exhibition for the photographers.
Okay, how has visitor response been so far?
So visitor response, it's very good. Like, today is the third day of the exhibition, and it was so good and it was so amazing. Right now you can see the customers are coming, and footfall was so good. So I like this.
Okay, so how does Bharti contribute to Make in India and Viksit Bharat?
So actually we our name is also Bharti, you can see, and we do manufacturing of all these products in India only, because we believe in Atmanirbhar Bharat. And I also believe, and our company also believe, we don't we don't want to import from anywhere, and we want our customer also believe in Indian like manufacturing only.
That's right. So what key trends is Bharti focusing on?
So right now we are focusing on our new products. Like, you can see the ultra sim LED frames over there, and we don't import from anywhere. We do the manufacturing of our own, and mostly the Indian people like that, because they don't want to import from China and all. So it's totally Indian made. You can also support us, guys. Yes.
Okay, are there any special offers or giveaway for the visitors?
Visitors, yes, we are giving the samples of A4 size photo frames over here, which we are giving in very less price. It's an exhibition offer, and people see the quality of that frames. It's so amazing, and they can also show to their clients. So it's a good thing. So I just want to share, we have 4 different business. First is LED photo frames. This is, you can see the t-shirt logos we make, and these stickers. Like, these all stickers, we do manufacturing of these stickers and these sheets. So it's a TPU logo which based on the t-shirts. If you are in textile industry, if you are a fashion designer, if you are pursuing fashion designing students, it's a very good thing from you. You just have to take this heat press machine. It's just in 19,000, and you can start your t-shirt business in so much less investment. You just have to take stickers from us and paste on the t-shirts. It's very less price. You can also start your business. It's a very interesting thing I'm telling you guys. And we have last product is ID cards, school ID cards and lanyards. You can see the visiting cards over here. We make these cards. We do this manufacturing of these cards. It's totally PVC. It's in matte and gloss finish, and different differences in like the golden foiling and the silver foiling over here. So we do all the manufacturing of these products. From last 18 years, we are into the card industry, and later on we are into the ultra sim light box industry. So I just want to say to my clients, you can support us, support Atmanirbhar Bharat. Don't import anything from anywhere, because we are doing manufacturing in India. Support us. Thank you so much.